Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, we will learn about availability zones. Availability zones gives customers the ability to operate production grade applications and databases that are more highly available, fault tolerant and scalable by placing them in multiple data centers. AWS maintains nearly 84 availability zones around the world, and they are planning to add much more availability zones in the near future. Each availability zones can be multiple data centers, and you can even place nearly hundreds and thousands of servers in those multiple data centers. Availability zones are fully isolated partitions of the AWS global infrastructure. With their own powerful infrastructure, the availability zones are physically separated by a meaningful distance from other availability zone, although they are all within 100 kilometer distance. Thank you. I will see you in next video.